Hello there, I'm Elizabeth Marks, and today I will be walking you through my interactive dashboard that I have made for a sales analysis for CAT Manufacturing. This has been done for my Principles of Financial Accounting class, which is also known as ACG 2021. First, I will start by explaining some of the data I have displayed here, which starting in the top left is the total sales by quarter and year. Next, we have total revenue by category, top customers and sales, a sales by division, which is displayed in a map, and a sales by product line. You can easily see which areas contain the highest amounts in each subdivision. I will be explaining to you how it is interactive by going through a couple of questions. First, you can easily find out the total sales revenue for the third quarter of 2020 by simply navigating to the sales by quarter and year and clicking 2020 once. And then it will bring you to the total revenue and sales by that year. You can see this, how it has changed every single category depending on the year. Next, you can click in the third quarter and easily see that the total sales revenue for the third quarter was $9,142,297. To click out of this, you will simply click on the last thing and make sure that it looks as though it has reverted back to its regular positions. Next, you can easily locate the total sales revenue for the medical category in the second quarter of 2021 by starting with the year 2021, clicking on the revenue in the medical revenue by category, and seeing that the total sales revenue for the medical category was $2,246,190. Then you simply click out of both of the subcategories you have selected, and you are back to normal. Next, we can easily see that in 2019, under the materials processing category, the product line with the most sales was the Pulse YT product line with $2,477,608 to it. Now we can decide what the top product line was for Germany in the year of 2019 by simply clicking out of the materials processing category and clicking into the Germany category while keeping 2019 selected in total sales by quarter and year. We can now see that the top product line for Germany division in 2019 was low YT, less than 100, with $4,290,871. In 2020, under telecom sales, we can easily see that quarter 3 had the highest amount of sales under the UK division, once clicking on UK, with $125,634. We can find out that the Boys Company is CAT Manufacturing's top customer in the fourth quarter of 2020 by clicking on 2020, the fourth quarter, and checking out the top customers and sales. Lastly, we can find that the top customer for the Russia division in 2021 was the Sacramento Inc. with $345,173. This sales analysis is very important to any bosses and people in high positions of power within companies, as it can easily help them determine which categories are bringing in the most revenue and therefore which categories to focus on producing. It also helps to show which companies are in touch with the company the most and supporting them financially. And lastly, it helps to show where in the world their sales can be benefited the most. Thank you so much for watching this. Have a wonderful rest of your day.